Hello, welcome back to another video. Now in this video, I am going to introduce my newly designed fully SMT component used to channel remotely and manually controlled home automation PCB. I have also made 8 channel SMT home automation PCB, 4 channel SMT home automation PCB and also TMT component used home automation PCB. Now in this video, I will show you 2 channel fully SMT component used another home automation PCB. This home automation PCB is very small in size and compact, which can easily fit in your electrical switch boards. This PCB has inbuilt OTA button, that is, you can update the code wirelessly over the air. And there is 2 onboard LEDs, which you could use according to your need, like testing your code or something else. In my case, I have used as Wi-Fi indicator. That is, if Wi-Fi connection is available, then both the LEDs will glow, else only single LED will glow. By using this PCB, I will make a small home automation system, that is internet and manual controlled home automation system using Blink IoT cloud platform. In this home automation system, we can control our home appliances by using Blink smartphone application from anywhere in this world. Apart from this, we can also control our home appliances through manual switch buttons that we generally uses in our homes, and we can also monitor the real-time status in the Blink smartphone. And also this PCB is compatible for all the smart speakers available in the market like Amazon Alexa, Google Home and Apple Series. During the video, I will explain the circuitry of this home automation system, how can we connect our home appliances to this PCB, and also I will let you know how to flash the code. So let's get into this video. JLC PCB is a fast electronic manufacturer company. JLC PCB SMT services fulfill customers' money and time saving needs. Customers enjoy low cost and high quality and fast SMT services at $8 setup fees. At the same time, they assemble electronic product from PCB design to PCB assembly product on the same online platform. JLC PCB provide one-stop service from the PCB design and PCB prototype to PCB assembly. And you can track their electronic manufacturing process in real time. JLC PCB takes 24 hours SMT build time and provide fastest delivery. Get your PCB assembly product in 1 week from ordering, part sourcing and assembly and PCB assembly prototyping. Thousands of components supported by JLC PCB and its reliable component partners like DigiKey and Mouser. 2000 plus in stock components available in the JLC PCB SMT parts library. This benefits customer to source components much faster and easier, bringing you a shorter PCB assembly production time. JLC PCB provides free PCB design software, cheap PCB prototype, fast and low cost SMT services saving your electronic product cost. With 16 years PCB manufacturing experience, JLC PCB also establishes a well-trained engineer and customer support team devoted to ensuring PCB assembly services faster and cheaper to ensure assemble your PCB in best service. This is the schematic of today's home automation PCB. If you want, you can download this schematic from description to design your own custom PCB. Now convert this schematic into PCB. After completing the design of your PCB, you can directly order the PCB from JLC PCB or just download the Gerber file from here. After that, go to JLC PCB website, then click on Quote Now button under the SMT assembly. After that, upload the Gerber file of your PCB. After that, select the number of PCBs and color masking of PCB if you want. After that, select the SMT assembly service. And here you have to select on which surface you want your components to be soldered, either top surface or bottom. After that, click on the confirm button. Now here you have to upload 2 more files. One is the CPL, that is pick and place file, and another one is BOM, that is bill of material. You can download these files from your EasyEDA account. Just open that PCB project onto your EasyEDA account and then click on fabrication, then BOM. Now click on export. Now click on export BOM to download the BOM file. Similarly, download the CPL file. After downloading both the files, just upload both the files here onto this page. After that, select next. Now here it will show all the SMT components which are to be soldered, and also we can select which components will soldered or not. Select the component according to your preference. After that, click on next button. Then click save to cart to complete your order. After a week, my PCB arrived at my place in a new blue box of JLC PCB. Let me open the box. The packaging of PCB in bubble wrap is very good. Here it is our home automation PCB. The quality of PCB is good and the SMT components are soldered well. After soldering rest of the components, PCB look like this, neat, clean and well arranged. To flash the code into ESP32 chip, I will use ESP32 development board. Now make the connections according to this schematic. This is the code for our today's home automation project. Download this code from the description and open it in Arduino IDE. Before you upload the code, you need to make few changes in it. First, in this section, you need to enter the SSID and password of your router or hotspot. After that, here you have to enter the authentication token sent by Blink on your registered email ID. Just copy and paste it here. And rest of thing is okay. After selecting right board and COM port, hit upload button. After clicking the upload button onto the PCB, I will press and hold the boot button and press the reset button once to make this module go inside the boot mode. As you can see, the code start uploading. Now connect all the bulb and switches according to this circuit diagram. Scan the QR code which is now showing on your screen with your smartphone and you will get a full copy of this Blink project. Now everything is done. Let's see project in action.